So our customer will love this product because the new laser system, TopMark Neo, combines high performance with high efficiency. The integrated control panel and the pre-installed marking software allows the customer to type in directly the marking data into the device. The powerful 20-watt laser allows the customer to mark 250 labels per minute, and he can choose out of 650 different articles made of stainless steel, aluminium or various plastics. And he can operate the device without any special laser training. So the TopMark Neo is a small desktop laser printing system which generates robust and high quality marking.